The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The state of Arkansas has vanished from the earth for an unknown reason. It is unknown if the land area and the people have been destroyed or relocated. Right now is a giant portion of the crust which is now visible to the naked eye. Air is now rushing into the area. Extreme weather is expected to occur in the area. All residents which live near Arkansas should prepare in case of a disaster. Stay tuned to this station for more updates on this dangerous event.